Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski on this Thursday morning. We do have actually a number of showers and thunderstorms over south central Nebraska and north central Kansas this morning, right in this area here. In fact, as of the time I'm speaking, there's a severe thunderstorm warning south of Kearney and just west of Hastings, and it's rolling eastward because of strong wind gusts. So, yes, and I'll even show you it on radar real quick here before, even though I know this will be outdated by the time most of you see this here. But again, we do have some thunderstorm activity as it rolls eastward across southern Nebraska this morning. So this is going to linger for the next several hours here, pushing eastward. It eventually will weaken with time, and we'll see skies clear out later on today, but then that's just in time for another line of storms to develop out west late today and into this evening. Severe weather is a little more likely tonight across the area. The severe weather threat could even last through the late night hours into early tomorrow morning. Now, in my opinion, this model is getting rid of all that stuff way too early. I still think we could see lingering showers and thunderstorms tomorrow morning in here. So it could be a wet start to our day in some areas. The severe weather threat should come down a little bit, though, by early tomorrow morning. And it's just kind of a repeat. We'll get rid of the showers and storms gradually from west to east. The clouds will clear out as well. Warm, sticky conditions. And then here comes another round of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow night through early Saturday morning. The dynamics aren't quite as good for severe weather tomorrow night into Saturday morning, but there still is a chance of that. And maybe, again, some of that lingers into Saturday morning for some of the areas. So, severe weather threat, highest chance. We'll get a new update at 8 o'clock this morning here. We'll see if this gets changed at all. But right now, an enhanced risk of severe weather over southwest Nebraska. A slight risk covers all areas west and south of the Tri-Cities for tonight. And then a marginal risk right in here. Damage and wind gusts are going to be our biggest threat. We may see some wind gusts up over 70 miles per hour right in here. Maybe a little large hail with the strongest storms. While it's a lower threat for tomorrow night into Saturday morning, almost all of the area under a marginal risk of severe storms. Again, damage and wind gusts, your biggest threat, maybe some large hail. And then as a cold front comes through Saturday evening and Saturday night, we have a slight risk of severe weather over southern and eastern areas as that pushes southeast. I think these areas here have the best chance of it. And again, wind your biggest threat, damage and wind gusts, and maybe some large hail with the strongest storms. Temperatures today, after the sun starts to come out, will rise into the 80s for most of us, but it's going to be quite humid once again. Tonight down into the 60s and lower 70s for overnight lows, tomorrow morning I should say. And then back into the 80s tomorrow, although any lingering clouds and showers could hold temperatures down in a few spots here for tomorrow afternoon. It just depends on where exactly those clouds stay thickest the longest. Back into the 60s and low 70s Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon, one more warm and humid day. There's the cooler air coming into the northwest part of the state. That's going to rush southeastward as we get into the second half of the weekend. So 3 more days of warm, humid conditions. Yes, I did tack on the humid tag for Saturday. It does look like it's going to be a little bit muggier than previously expected. Mostly nightly chances of showers and storms, but those linger into the next morning. And then we get another round Saturday night and Sunday morning. Cooler air. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, highs in the 70s, not as humid. A pretty strong breeze on Sunday, a northwest breeze that'll help bring that refreshing air in, but it'll be up there around 20 miles per hour or so Sunday, so it's going to be a bit of a breezy day. Temperatures will eventually warm up by the middle of next week here, some more slight chances of rain and thunderstorms. We'll get back into the low and mid 80s later next week, but not going to get super hot anytime soon, but probably going to start to tack on more of that humidity as we get down the road as well. I want to thank you all for watching on this Thursday morning. I will see you all again on Friday, but until then, make sure you watch that severe weather threat late tonight after you go to bed for many of you here, and I'll be back with you to wrap up the week on Friday morning. Take care, and God bless. Bye.